In this video, we are about to be discussing Undetectable AI Humanizer. So you can see once you are onto the platform, these are some of these were basically the pricing plans. You get this type of dashboard. Let's just assume that you want to use a couple of features. Let's just say you have AI detector. So if you click onto that, I have a set of AI generated content that I'm going to be pasting here, and click check for AI. So let's just see what it is gonna be coming up with. So this is loading. The everything is basically being checked. It is a really short of a text, so it might be um, something. It is yeah. So you can see it is saying 7% human. By the way, I generated using Perplexity AI. So yeah, we can see everything is copied from this section and pasted here, and it's saying really nicely that this is generated from basically AI. 93% is gonna be AI. So let's just humanize this exact uh, area. So for that, you can see it is going to be requiring an upgrade, but once you humanize it and it is going to be, you paste it here again, you will get an idea that how nice this is going to be performing. So once you're serious about purchasing the pro plan, you're going to be getting a lot of value. Similarly, you have AI humanizer, the one we discussed. Click on humanize. Of course, is going to be asking you to opt for trail, but yeah, it's going to be providing that. And on the left side we have essay writer. If you want to go for that, we're going to be discussing that in our latest video, so make sure to stay tuned and see you guys in the next video.